You'll find a variety of fast-growing edible options on this list, including delicious leafy greens, root vegetables, and satisfying fillers that you can start from seeds. Rapid leafy greens. To promote rapid growth, it's beneficial to incorporate compost into your potting mix or soil before you plant any leafy vegetables. Why is this important? Compost supplies nitrogen and other soluble nutrients that facilitate quick development. Kindly subscribe, like and comment below. Thanks. To prevent bitterness and premature seed production, it's important to maintain a consistently moist environment for your leafy greens. Additionally, regular liquid fertilizers can encourage robust and healthy growth. Fast-maturing leafy greens. Rocket or arugula, this mildly peppery herb and salad green can be harvested in 40 to 60 days. Lettuce, loose-leaf lettuce varieties like oak leaf, lolo rosso, and salad bowl green and red can be ready to pick in approximately 30 to 45 days. Kale, baby leaves of kale can be harvested in around 30 days, while mature leaves are ready after about 60 days. Spinach, there are numerous varieties of baby leaf spinach, such as Bloomsdale long-standing, 39 to 50 days, and Silver Beet Bright Lights, 28 days for baby leaves, 55 days mature. Mustard greens, these colorful, spicy leaves can be harvested when young in 30 days or less, and mature in around 40 to 60 days. Tatsoi, this Asian spinach grows rapidly, producing dark green leaves in just 45 to 50 days. Bok choy, ready in around 60 days, this Chinese cabbage is grown for its tender white-stemmed green leaves. Salad greens, there are numerous salad greens to choose from, including red vein sorrel, 55 days, corn salad, 45 to 60 days, miner's lettuce, 40 days, mizuna, 40 to 60 days, and radicchio, 55 days. Rapid root crops. Radishes, these crunchy and colorful vegetables can be harvested in just 3 to 4 weeks. Varieties like Champion Cherry Belle, 30 to 35 days, and French Breakfast, 28 days, are popular choices. Baby beetroot, harvest beetroot when young for best flavor. Varieties like Golden and Early Wonder mature in around 55 days. Turnips, easy to grow and nutritious, turnips like Purple Top White Globe can mature in as little as 45 days. Snappy pods. Bush peas, some snow pea varieties, like Bush Oregon, 60 days, and Bush Sugar Snap, 56 to 58 days, mature quickly. Bush beans, compact bush bean varieties like Cherokee Wax, 55 to 60 days, and Royal Burgundy, 50 to 60 days, produce beans faster than climbing varieties.
Quick pick vegetables: squash/baby zucchini, harvest young and tender zucchini in approximately 60 days. Spring onions, ready to harvest in around 60 days. Spring onions provide a burst of flavor and nutrition. Broccolini and broccoli, while these brassica crops typically take around 60 days, harvesting the first shoots within this time frame is possible. Varieties like Italian green sprouting Waltham 20, 60 plus days, and spring rop, 40 to 60 days, offer early shoots. Cucumber, compact pickling cucumber varieties such as Bite Alpha, 55 to 57 days, and National Pickling Gherkin, 50 to 58 days, are suitable for small spaces and quicker harvests. These fast-maturing plants provide a variety of options for adding tasty and nutritious leafy greens, root vegetables, and quick-pick vegetables to you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment below. Thanks.